So we've got a pretty quick lesson for you today. We're going to talk about solving logarithms. And we're going to use the principles of identity that we talked about right before break. In order to solve for this, I got to get x by itself. So if we're going to get x by itself, we've got to combine these two terms here. We know that additions combine to multiplication, so I can rewrite this as a log base 2 of 5 times the quantity of x plus 2 is equal to 4. I have to slide the base to get rid of this. So I'll bring that over here. Get 5x plus 10 is equal to 2 to the 4th power, which we know is 16. And that's going to equal 5x plus 10. Bring that over, get a 6 equals 5x. And x is going to equal 6/5. In this next problem, you'll see we've got an addition again, which combines to a singular logarithm by multiplication. So I have log base 6 of x times the quantity of x plus 1 is equal to 1. Once again, I'll slide the base, getting x squared plus x is equal to 6. Now in this case we have a quadratic, so I'll have to set aside equal to 0. And then we'll factor, getting a positive 3 and a negative 2. So therefore I have two possibilities for x. X will equal 2 or x will equal negative 3. However, in this case, the negative 3 value is an extraneous answer because if I plug this back in, I notice that I have what power of 6 is negative 3. That's never going to happen. So we cross that out and our answer is just 2. Let's move forward. So in this case, in order to combine the two logarithms, I go from the subtraction to the division. We have log base 4 of 2x plus 1 over x minus 2. That's equal to 1. Again, we slide the base. We get 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 4. Multiplied by the denominator here, 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 times the quantity of x minus 2. This gives me 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 8. We have 2x equaling 9 and 9 halves equaling x. Since 9 halves is about 4 1/2, if I plug this back in, no problem here when subtracting by 2, so everything's going to work out. Got one more example. So in this case, we've got a couple different things going on. We notice we have this multiple out in front. We have to bring this into a power first. So this goes to the log base 3, the quantity of x minus 1 squared. So let's just take and rewrite. So in this next step, we'll have to use this subtraction and combine to a division. So I have the log base 3. I'm going to FOIL that out. X squared minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 4. And that's equal to 4. Slide the base, get x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 4 is equal to 3 to the 4th power. It's a lot. 243, I believe. No, 81, sorry. Multiply, we get x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 81x plus 324, I believe. Subtract, because it's quadratic. No idea whether this is going to factor or not. Chances are we go straight to the quadratic formula. So I have 83 plus or minus the square root of 83 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 323 all over 2. And now we can plug that into a calculator and move from there. And after plugging into that calculator, I get 86.7 and negative 3.7. Those are both approximations. 86.7 doesn't seem to give us any problems. It's negative 3.7 when I plug back in to this term here is going to be an issue because I have log base 3 of a negative number once I plug it back in. So here's my extraneous, and I just get 86.7. That's all we've got. Homework assignment will be up there. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. Take care.